We're working on a 2003 Dodge Durango, and what we're trying to do is try to fix the exhaust leak on the exhaust manifold. And what we had to do was to take the fender well out, this part, of course the wheel off, and basically you have to see this little guy over here. See this guy over here?
Yeah.
This is the little rivet thing that goes in here. And basically you have to take a little, when I use this and this one, you can start it with this punch. Then you just stick this in there and you drive it completely out.
Okay.
And then you can pop the rivets out with this stuff. And there was 2 of them in there that I had to cut off because they were in a really bad spot.
Right.
And so there you have the whole story. And yeah, we're gonna try to put a new exhaust manifold gasket in there and some new bolts, because this car has 145,000 miles on it and some of the bolts are completely destroyed. So we're gonna do the best we can. Keep listening. Well, you'll find out how it comes out. From this 2003 Dodge Durango. And we have to take these little plastic clips out. And the way you do that is you get a Harbor Freight little punch thingy, little pick thingy, and then you put it in the middle and you just drive them out. Then you get your trim remover and pop it out. That's what you got to do. And you got to take them all out. And you take your needle nose pliers and get underneath there. When you get them propped down a little bit, and then you pop them right out. Ta-da! Huh?
Yeah.
Then you're a happy person. I don't know if we can reuse these or not, but I'm going to try. I don't know why these ones are a couple rating. There we go. Now it's cold avoiding. Okay. Come on now. Cooperate. There we go. I don't know where that one went. And for these ones under here, these ones right here, I took this thing, I got them loosened up enough where I could slide this underneath there and just cut them.
Okay. Yeah, because they wouldn't pull.
Because, yeah, they're really difficult to get to.
Right.
So.
Oh, wow. It just fell out eventually.
Yeah, it just falls out. Yeah, it does. It just falls out. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my. What am I going to do here? I don't know.
wow. Now I'll just have to cut the other ones.
Huh.
Wow. We won't have to cut that one.
Thank God.
Yeah. Really. Now we have 2 more on the other side.
Obviously, this hasn't been apart, and oh, and that one is really gnarly.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What am I gonna do now? I don't know. It's a really bad angle. Huh?
Yeah. Way in there, isn't it? Yeah, you have to try to cut that off. Oh my.
Hang on.
There you go. Wow.
There we go.
It's a little mangled, but we're just gonna put the old one back on, right?
Yeah, well, if I can.
Right. Oh wow. That's a rusted thing. Alright, so now we can see what we needed to see.
That's some serious corrosion there, huh?
Yeah. Oh my. So what are we thinking?
What are we thinking?
Uh-huh.
I'm thinking seafoam. Okay. We're thinking seafoam. Yay! We're thinking seafoam. And we're gonna put the new rotor on here.
Yeah.
While we let that seafoam set for a minute. Okay.